Hey, it's Al Williamson with Leading Landlord. I am inside one of my corporate housing rentals. This is a nice one. It's kind of what it looks like outside here. It's a nice one bed, one bath. And I want to show you behind the scenes on what I do to prevent issues from happening. And one thing we do, just to be proactive, is we add drain cleaners between guests. So I add this Green Gobbler, which I get at Home Depot. It's like $10. It's like 3 packs for $10. And we simply, here's one of the packets. We simply just pour it down the drain and in between, and we let it sit. So here I go. Hope you can see that. There's really not a lot to it. I just pour it in there, and it's going to be eating up the hairs in the sink. You know, when guys shave, the hairs build up in the sink, and this is what dissolves it and prevents any issues from happening, so we don't get phone calls. And if we don't get phone calls, it doesn't take up our time, and that's what we like. We like extended stays, people staying for 2 to 6 months at a time, and we don't have any issues. And we don't have issues because we're proactively preventing issues. We're not just going with the flow. So, hey, if you should consider rental arbitrages and short-term rentals on an extended stay version, and do these proactive things to prevent problems, and it's a great source of income and a lifestyle. Hey, until next time, take care.